Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best wireless motorcycle headset in this video? I will show you the top 3 best wireless motorcycle headset to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected 2 pieces Fodsports M1-S. Specifications: brand name, Fodsports. Item weight, 40 grams. Item height, 2 centimeters. Item width, 4 centimeters. Item length, 8 centimeters. Model name, M1-S Pro. Connection mode, Bluetooth, wire. Maximum intercom distance, 1000 meters. Certification, CE. Working speed, up to 120 km/h. Battery, built-in 900 milliamperes. The item number 2 is Freecon Bluetooth Motorcycle Intercom Helmet. Specifications: brand name, Freecon. Plug type, USB. Special features, sunproof. Item weight, 36 grams. Item height, 2.2 centimeters. Item width, 8.2 centimeters. Item length, 3.2 centimeters. Model name, COM-SC. Connection mode, wire, Bluetooth. Maximum intercom distance, 500 to 1000 meters. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have new Lexin G2 Motorcycle Intercom Helmet. Specifications: brand name, Lexin. Item height, 5 inches. Item width, 2 inches. Item length, 9.5 inches. External testing certification, FCC. Model name, Lexin G2. Connection mode, Bluetooth. Maximum intercom distance, 1000 meters. Origin, mainland China. Battery capacity, 800 mAh.